No, you are in live. I'm
Linda!
not showing my.
Linda! Linda!
No, no.
Come on, Linda!
Kaya mo yung tinatamad ng saksa mga kita live. Ikin mo na live agad.
Linda!
Don't wanna.
My people like you, Linda!
No, fuck you. I'm not talking
Fuck
to you.
you! Fuck you!
No, you broke my heart. You say I'm not in live. I'm
No.
not in live.
No, but that's the reason I must speak with you. If I tell you I'm live, you're gonna next me. Now you know I'm live and we are good friends now. Fuck you. Linda. My people ask me where is Linda. Go find the Linda. Look this. Linda.
No.
Yes.
No.
Come.
Look, if my parents see this live, they're
How
gonna
your
kill me.
parents see? Do you know where is America and where is my country? That's a different world, do you know? Your friend
Antonio, look,
Yeah.
just hide my face, okay?
But why? Because people know you, Linda. I don't have reason to hide your face. You are so beautiful. And my people under age 18 plus who like you.
No, I'm not going to end live because if my parents see this live, they're gonna
Ow!
kill me. Why you are doing that? Antonio,
Yeah.
do you find my sugar daddy?
Yes. I have so many
Where-
sugar daddy for you.